In this video, you will learn how to use the basic video conferencing tools. First, log on to the platform. And go to your Tandem box. The Tandem box is on the left. This is where you go to the Tandem exchanges with your partner. Click on it. On the screen, we see that the teacher has given an assignment where you need to do a video conferencing session with your partner. Click on the assignment like this. This is the menu. The 3 means that you are Tandem 3 and you will be able to meet up with your partner in the room. If you were Tandem 10, you would see the number 10. To get into the video conferencing room, click on Join Session. You see this message? Voulez-vous rejoindre l'audio? You want to hear and talk to your partner. Click on the microphone. Next is the sound check. Pronounce a few words. Hello. Hello. If you hear the words echoed back and your audio is working. If you don't hear anything, you need to check your microphone or say your teacher. On the screen, you can see the big blue button welcome message. The video conferencing room runs with the big blue button software. The welcome message gives you information about the various features of this software. To get rid of it, you can click here. To bring it back, you click here. The welcome message appears automatically when you enter the video conferencing room. This space can also be used as a whiteboard or to show pictures and documents. We will discuss this in another tutorial. Video Conferencing Tools Part 2. To record your session, click on the record button. And yes, this is important. You will be able to review your recording and take notes at a later time. You can note vocabulary and expressions you learned and take notes on things your partner told you for follow-up in-class activities. If you want to stop the recording, click on the record button again, and yes. At the bottom of the screen, click on the webcam image to activate your webcam. If you see your image, the webcam is working. In order to save bandwidth, select Low Quality and click on Start Sharing. Your webcam appears at the top. When your partner enters the room, you will also see your partner and the images will be smaller. Look at the 4 little arrows in the up right hand corner. To have a whole screen image, click on them. However, a whole screen image is not ideal for video conferencing as you do not have ready access to the chat box. To return to the room, click once again or select Escape. If you want to turn off your webcam, click on Stop Sharing Webcam and your webcam will disappear. To your left, right here, you can see who the participants are. Right now, there's only one participant and you can see the username. However, when your partner enters the room, you will see his or her name. If you change your name in the profile, you will see your real name. This is the chat box, where you and your partner can type messages. The first message is always your teacher's. Type, for example, bonjour, and click on enter or on the blue arrow. The chat box is very useful when you cannot understand your partner. Ask your partner to type in what he or she said. At the end of the session, you can print out the chat script. This is very useful as you will be able to review the words and expressions you got help with. To print out your chat script, click here, click on Save, and a document will be downloaded. Click on it, and you can save the document with all the chat in your computer. In the upper left-hand corner, you will also see Public Chat. To get rid of the chat box, click on it. To bring back the chat box, click again. Right below it, you see Shared Notes. Click on it. You can type in information. For example, Bonjour, mon nom est Robin. Your partner can see what you're writing. At times, this can be useful instead of the chat box. In this tutorial, you have learned some of the basics regarding how to use the video conferencing tools. In the Part 2 tutorial, you will learn how to upload documents and share your screen with your partner. Happy tandeming!